What up, guys? Mike G with MDG Collections on hand. Today, May 31st, 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, I am about to go to J&B Body Works, my guys that I've been dealing with since 2009. I know the owner, his name is Joe. They are like the Pimp My Ride, the classy version of Pimp My Ride here in New York. They match to a T Audi, Lamborghini, Porsche, Rolls-Royce. I'm talking about the most high-end cars you can think of are in this place. I'll put their Instagram here on the screen, and I will put their info in the description of this video. It looks like, I know I was on the highway before the strip with me and John, and I was on the highway and I saw it. It was coming so fast. Like I said, it was traveling at about, I would say 3,500 feet per second. Crack, hit the front. I thought it hit the windshield, but turns out it actually hit the hood of the car. As I'll show you guys in a minute, video that I just took before I started my intro. It looks like it's scarred down to the actual paint. I'm hoping that it's not. All right, guys, so as it's starting to rain, this is the blemish, the scar that my car has. I was on the highway and I heard a loud pop and I saw something flying at my windshield. It happened so fast. I thought it hit my glass, but it turns out it hit right here on the hood. So it looks like, I don't know if it went down to the paint, but the plastic is ripped. This took a big hit, guys. I mean, this was not your regular rock. It was a bigger rock. So I had enough distance between my car and this truck, this bigger truck, that I know that this is no way that this could have happened close on. It must have been kicked up from the truck on the highway, bounced up, and as my car was traveling, landed right on the hood and then bounced up again. I heard it, it was loud. So I'm going right now to J&B Body Works, to my guys, to see if it went down to the actual paint and what they're gonna do about this. The Suntech PPF that's on my hood was done by Lorenzo. I know when I got my car repaired from the tree that that fell on top of my car in the parking lot of my job, I brought it to J&B, which is where we're going right now, and they completed the rest of my car. They wrapped the roof of my car, they wrapped the trunk lid and everything else with Expel. So guys, just so you know, I highly recommend that you jump on any type of a wrap. I jumped on the wrap right away. My car is black. I wanted to protect the paint. All right, guys, at J&B Body Works, and look at here, Scat Pack right in front of me. Right now, as you can see, behind me, there's a McLaren, there's a Scat Pack over there, and a Porsche, two Porsches. So, green McLaren, looks pretty cool. Not sure what they're doing to it or what happened to it, but that's the cars that are here. All right, guys, there's the man right there, Joe. There he is. So Joe, what's up, bro?
How's it going?
It's my man I was telling you about. So his dad I've been knowing for years, and he was like this. Now he's like almost as tall as me.
It's a baby boy.
So he's pretty much, like I said, I've been knowing Joe, his father, for about almost 10 years, 8 years, and Joe's growing up. Pretty much he's gonna jump onto Mopar soon, guys. He is. I know he is.
Getting there.
And once I bring him on that test
Mike's
drive,
gonna convert me.
I'm definitely gonna convert. I was just telling them, Joe, how they have, like, you guys got everything here. McLarens.
Yeah, man.
There's a Scat Pack over there. See if you can see, Joe, if that went through a fucking rock. I was on the highway and a fucking rock, literally, just like, I thought it hit my glass, and then when a day later, I was like, oh no, I think it's on the actual.
Let me get some compound. Let me see.
Okay. All right, guys, so unfortunately this is going to be unable to be fixed, or the film is too badly injured. It's too much of a puncture on the film. Once the film comes off, it probably won't even look like that. So I doubt it went down to the paint. It may have been a light little chip on the paint, maybe, but that's why you guys, you have to get your car wrapped. You have to. If you look at it from the side right here, you can kind of see it a little bit better. All right, I'm going more parallel with the line. And like I said, the plastic, literally at this point, the film itself is damaged severely. So this whole wrap would have to come off. I'm eventually thinking about wrapping my car an actual color wrap anyways. So that'll be something that could be an option. what I'm going to do actually is put my rear Charger badge back on, and it was taken off, like I told you, when they wrapped my actual car. So they forgot to put it back on, and I just been rocking it without the Charger badge, and I kind of like that Charger badge, how it looks on this Charger over here, the Scat Pack. Let me just show you guys. Alright, so just how that Charger badge is right there is how mine looks. I just don't have where it says RT. That Scat Pack has that, but my car does not have that. Alright, so here's this 2015 McLaren. Alright, it's in lime green. This is it. It's a 2015. Thing looks like a beast. This is my first time. I think this is my first time seeing one of these in person. So, yeah, I mean, very low to the ground. Let's see, 650S is what this is. It's like one of these side skirts is cracked, so maybe that's why it's here. I don't know. But 2015, guys, McLaren. This thing is very low to the ground, but very wide. I had no clue that it was this wide in person. Alright guys, so here's the man himself, Joe. Joe, what's up, baby? What's up, man? Joe, I've been knowing for, like I said, coming up on 10 years. And his son has now become the guy who runs this show. And like I said, guys, any work you want done, come see Joe. Alright, come see Joe. It's gonna be 38 Beach Street, J&B Body Works. Alright, the finest in collision and repair. And they will take care of you over here, all right? All right, guys, so one of the guys who is going to put my Charger badge back on is going to back the car up, put it in, and take off some of the dust that's already on the car. So that's what we're doing right now. All right, guys, so they are power pressuring the back of my car to get it all clean. It's like raining out here, and it's like the car has pollen all over it. So what they're doing is they're just giving it a nice power wash so they can clean it up, so they can put the Charger badge back on where it goes. This guy, he's going to be putting the Charger badge back on. Like I said, guys, ironically, there's a Scat Pack here with the Charger badge on the back, so we just measured exactly where the Charger badge goes, and they use a laser light that they can make sure everything is straight before they put it on. So we got John, the man with the magic right here, and we got Mike. You know, I like him because his name is Mike, just like mine. This is Joe's younger son. So, you know, Joe, little Joe, who you guys know, and the older Joe. And this is John, one of the guys here. He's got a crafty hand, precision-like. Guys, come see these guys over here. Mike, what's the number here to the shop?
Address?
The phone number, if you know it. If you don't know it, I can edit this.
914-664-8080.
Guys, check him out. Serious guys. These guys are serious over here, all right? All right, guys, so there it is. Put back on Charger badge. Just put back on how it was from factory before they wrapped the car. Alright guys, so that was my trip to J&B Body Works. Best guys you could ever deal with. A true class act. The whole family, Joe, the father who you saw, down to his son Joe, and then his even younger son Mike. So unfortunately, I will have to rewrap. I had already had plans. You guys just didn't know. I had a plan to wrap my car a color wrap. I can't tell you guys what it's going to be. That gives me more of an incentive to take this wrap off and try something new. That's going to be it, guys. I will be doing a video coming up probably tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to do it tomorrow on my experience driving JMC Rides wide body Hellcat. If that does not come tomorrow, it will come next week. I want to let a few more people see that video. And then Saturday into Sunday, we have Cecil County. So I will be doing a video on that, on my drag strip experience in this car. So those are videos coming up, guys. So stay tuned. Thanks to everyone who subscribed, and I appreciate everybody giving me feedback. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be a wrap.